Well, you just swim a lap around the pool. That's what you want. Who wants to go first?
Beth, look. Beth.
Yep. On your back. So all you have to do is come out and lay on your back behind the dolphin. Please take the fins off. They only push deep. Any questions? You come behind the dolphins over here. Give her a little tap tap. There you go. Give her a kiss.
I can't do anymore. I got to save it to my customer.
Who's harder to train, the cat or the dolphins?
People.
You guys.
There is no other way. You're going to be traveling counterclockwise. That's from that dolphin over here. All that on that other side is the dolphin only area. Look at the cat. Cat. Oh wow! Look at the cat. Okay. We don't have any pictures now.
Look at him. Look at
You're so awesome, Thunder.
Volunteer.
Whoever.
I think Arthur wants a kiss.
Is it kiss time? Okay. Give him a kiss. You want one? Oh, God. Oh, that's beautiful, Thunder. He's a good boy. More kisses? Okay. Stop kissing, Arthur.